Today I am going to embroider this simple design. For the 3 flowers I am going to use 3 different stitches. For this flower I am going to do long and short stitch. I will use 2 different shades of thread, orange for this and red for this one. I will start from the center of the flower. Just pick up a little bit, pull up. From here you go this side. That's all, a simple stitch. Try and do the stitches very close to each other. For this flower I am going to use chain stitch. A simple stitch like this. Start from here. Pick up a little bit. Put the thread round the needle and pull up the thread. A simple stitch which is known as the chain stitch. A simple stitch like this. For this flower I am going to use buttonhole stitch, a very simple stitch. Just pick it up from here, put the thread round and pull the thread. That's all. Just pick it up from here. Try not to leave too much of gap. That is all. A simple stitch, the buttonhole stitch. That's all. I am going to fill up the leaves using satin stitch. Very easy to do. Take slanting stitches. That looks nice. That's all. Even for the stems, I am going to use the same stitch. I am going to fill up the leaves using satin stitch. Very easy to do. Take slanting stitches. That looks nice. That's all. Even for the stems, I am going to use the same stitch. After completing the leaf, the veins, I will do it this way. For the center, I am going to do one line of stem stitch. Just one line of stem stitch, the center. And for the smaller ones, just pick it up from here and go down. Again from here and go down. That is all. That is all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.